striped umbrella. "Where will we go today, Umbi?" she whispered. She twirled the umbrella above her head, and with a great big whoosh, her room melted away into sparkling colors. Plink, plonk, Nina landed softly in a forest where giant lollipops grew like trees and the raindrops tasted like sweet cherry candy. This was the Candy Raindrop Forest. She saw a fluffy brown bear sitting sadly on a gumdrop mushroom. "What's wrong?" Nina asked kindly. "I've lost my favorite lollipop button," sniffled Gummy the Bear. Nina had an idea. "Don't worry, Gummy," she said with a brave smile. She stood on her tiptoes and used the hook of her umbrella to reach for a perfect raspberry lollipop on a tall tree. Gummy cheered as she fixed the lollipop onto his vest. "It's perfect." "Thank you, Nina," he roared happily. Nina waved goodbye and twirled her umbrella again. Whoosh! This time, Nina floated up, up, up into the deep blue sky. She landed on a soft, fluffy cloud. Animals made of starlight were marching past in a beautiful sky parade. But one little cloud fairy looked very gloomy. Her cloud was gray and droopy. "My cloud has lost its sparkle," sighed Flitter the Fairy. "Maybe it just needs a good tickle." Nina giggled. She took a deep breath, opened her colorful umbrella, and gently tickled the bottom of the little gray cloud. The cloud wiggled and jiggled and suddenly burst into a puff of happy, rainbow-colored sparkles. "You made it laugh," chirped Flitter, zipping around her happy cloud. "Thank you." Nina waved goodbye to her new friend and twirled Umbi one more time. Whoosh! Splash! She slid down a giant, colorful waterfall and landed right in the middle of the Rainbow River. The river flowed with all the colors of a painting. She saw a little otter digging in the colorful sand. "I can't find my shiniest pebble," cried Splash the Otter, looking very worried. Nina looked closely, but the river was too colorful to see through. She had a brave idea. She knelt down and dipped the very tip of her umbrella into the water. The colors swirled away from the umbrella, and for a moment, the water turned clear. There it was. Splash grabbed the sparkling pebble with a happy squeak. "My treasure." With a happy heart full of new friends, Nina gave her umbrella a final, gentle twirl. Whoosh! She was back in her room, just as the rain stopped. The magic was their little secret.